कि ये सेशन से मुझे माइंड ब्लोइंग जैसा कुछ फीलिंग हुआ।
It was an incredible session.
The experience was truly fascinating and eye-opening.
I'm really grateful to Gaurav sir for his selfless guidance.
मेरा थैंक यू। आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू यू ऑल।
सेशन मेरा इस तरह से रहा कि जो कुछ बातें बहुत सी हम हमारे बारे में नहीं जानते, अपने बारे में ही हमको इतनी सारी जानकारी मिल सकती है। हम अपने बारे में खुद इतना नहीं जानते जितना लोग एनालिसिस कर सकते हैं।
ऐसा बोल सकते कि पहले जिंदगी जी रहे थे, लेकिन अब जिंदगी जिंदा दिली से जी रहे।
He's really an amazing person and he is quite dedicated to his work too because he explains each and every concept so well. Thank you sir, thank you. Thanks a lot.
I have no words to describe how accurately and spot on Gaurav sir was about my face analysis and my personality. No one's understood me so fast, so well. A lot of life-changing pointers were given during my session with.
I recently had a face reading session and I wanted to provide some feedback. The practitioner's insight into my personality traits and potential challenges were surprisingly accurate.
Go take action right now. Book your seat. Click on the link below.